A local arena has 10 applicants interested in working the snack bar. How many ways can 4 applicants be chosen? So the first thing you always do in these questions, when they come up on your test or exam, because permutations and combinations questions will be mixed together, is if you hired those same 4 people in a different order, would it be different? No. So that makes it a combinations question, in which case we'll use the formula right away. 10C4. 10, and sometimes I like to use the word choose for the C, but it stands for combinations. And in B, if you were choosing 6 applicants, it would be 10C6, or 10 choose 6. Now, if we go to our formula, again, I said the formula is really easy to remember because it's going to be 10 factorial, there's going to be a 4 factorial on the bottom, and what's the other number on the bottom? 6. But the bottom 2 have to add up. And if I did this one, it would be 10 factorial, and there would be a 6 factorial, and what would the other number be on the bottom? A 4. And so something interesting just happened. Those are exactly the same. So if we imagine this with cards, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10. If I have 10 cards representing the 10 applicants, every time I choose 4, I also make a group of 6. So making groups of 4 without any order always makes a unique group of 6. If I make a new group of 4, I make a new group of 6. Every group of 4 also makes a group of 6. And this happens with any combination. So for example, something that would be really easy mathematically for you to do is if I said, I have 52 cards and you choose one of them. How many ways could that be done? This isn't supposed to be hard. It's supposed to be really obvious. 52. Right. 52 cards, choose one. You could do that in 52 different ways. But if I made it the more complicated sounding, okay, you need to pick groups of 51 where the order doesn't matter from 52 cards. How many ways could you do that? Also 52, because every time you make a group of 51 where the order doesn't matter, you're left with a group of 1 off to the side. So 52 choose 51 is the same as 52 choose 1. And sometimes they'll have on the exam questions like this. They'll do something creative like saying 15 choose 4 equals 15 choose x, but x isn't equal to 4. I mean, it would be super easy if it was. 15 choose 4 happens to equal 15 choose 4. That makes sense. If you went to your formulas, it gets a little bit messy. But if you just use this idea, what is x? 11. Because making a group of 4 would be the same as making a group of 11. All right, questions for practice on this one? Are 8 and 10.